Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a 3D animation. Let's get started. So to create a 3D animation, first of all you have to download or install a 3D software. So to download or install a 3D software, what you can do is open up your Microsoft Store, and after opening up your Microsoft Store, in search bar you can search for Blender. After searching for Blender, now what you can do is just install this application. So you can use some other softwares like Maya and Rhino 3D or any other software that you like. But if you are a beginner, I would suggest you to use Blender because it is good for beginners and it has every single tool that you can animate with. And after completing the installation process, now what you can do is just tap on open and open your Blender 3D animating software. After opening up your Blender, now you can create a 3D model. You can create any 3D model that you like. So if you don't know how to create a 3D model, you can watch a YouTube video and you can do that. So first what you have to do is just delete this mesh, and then you can just type in Shift A and add a mesh. You can add any mesh that you like and then start modeling. You can also add some motion if you like. You can add keyframes and you can add a motion for your character. You can sculpt your character. So you just have to tap on this object mode, which is on the top left corner of your screen, and you can select any one of these options. So you just have to select this edit mode option, and after selecting this option you can edit this mesh. So that's it guys, this is how to create a 3D model. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.